Hello all, welcome to C Programming Learning. In this video we will understand how to find out sum of the marks, average and its percentage. Let's open code blocks. Here we will start with a hash include stdio.h, a header file. So we will write hash include stdio.h. Now let's start with the integer main function. So inside integer main function, as we have decided to find out average of subjects marks and its percentage, we need to declare some integer variables. So if we want for 5 subjects, we will declare variables as s1, s2, s3, s4, s5. So these are all 5 subjects. After that we require integer sum, a sum variable, then integer total. As we have taken 5 subjects, so we will declare a total as a 500. Initial value of total is 500. And one more important one, that is float percentage. A percentage can be a decimal value also, that's why I have given in the integer number, total and float percentage. After initializing all those variables, first of all we will take out the marks from the user. So we will write printf function to print this line on screen. Enter the marks of all 5 subjects. So these are the user entered values. We'll put a /n, which is a new line character, and then we will read out those values by using a scanf. So it will be in an integer format, so we would write %d for 5 times, because these are 5 entities, and after that we would assign the same to particular subjects. So first of all ampersand s1, that is first %d is for ampersand s1, then ampersand s2, likewise till ampersand s5. So we have assigned those marks to the particular subject variable. So after taking all these value from the user, we are going to find out the sum. So we will find out sum by using, in this way, sum equal to s1 plus s2 plus s3 plus s4 plus s5. So here we have a result of all those 5 subjects mark, and then we will print the result of summation. So we will use another printf function. P must be in a lowercase. So printf the sum of 5 subjects is. So here we have written sum of 5 subjects, which will be in an integer format. So %d /n comma sum. After that, as we know the total is 500, let's find out percentage. So we have to write down percentage equal to sum divided by total into 100. So we'll do sum into 100, which whole sum get divided by total. So as you all know, we have taken 5 subjects, so we have declared total is nothing but 500. So per subject we have declared 100 marks. From out of, we could give in this printf statement, that is enter the marks of all 5 subjects. So here we have written the formula for percentage. Let's print the result of percentage also. So printf the percentage is, which is nothing but in a percentage f placeholder comma percentage, and then written value. So here we have taken 5 subjects to get average of, and then we will use a sum and total variable and float for percentage, because percentage can be in a decimal point. So here first of all we have taken those marks from the user by using printf and scanf function. So these are user entered entities, and after that we added those 5 subjects by using this sum variable and this formula, we have printed the summation result also, and then in a percentage formula we have written sum into 100 divided by total. So this way you will get the percentage of all 5 marks given by the user or entered by the user. So let's save this file. First of all, save as, we'll write down percentage.c, and after saving it, build this, and if build finished with 0 error, let's run it. So here we have to write down 5 different marks, so it can be a random. So 76, so I have written 67, 78, 89, 87 and 76. These are the 5 marks of 5 different subjects. Now after clicking enter, first of all we will get the result of summation of all these marks, and with that we will get percentage. So here you can see the sum of the 5 subjects is 397 and you have got percentage as 79. So this way you can see the 79 is written in a decimal point format because we have given a data type as a float. So it is in a decimal format. So percentage F is a placeholder to read out any floating point character or a decimal point number. This way you can find out summation of any subject's marks, its average and its percentage. I hope you understood today's program. Thank you.